Here's how to copy the full transcript from any YouTube video and remove the timestamps instantly. Open the video on YouTube and scroll down below the player. Click the description area to expand it and keep scrolling until you see Show Transcript. Click it and the transcript will open on the right side of the page with timestamps. To select the full transcript, click at the very beginning of the first line, then hold Shift and click at the end of the last line to select everything. Right-click and select Copy. The transcript will include timestamps, which makes it messy for most uses. The fastest way to remove them is to paste it into an AI tool. Open Google Gemini, ChatGPT, or Claude and type, "Please remove the timestamps from this transcript." Then paste the copied text and press Enter. The AI will return a clean version of the transcript with no timestamps. Copy that and you are done. A tip: transcripts are generated automatically by YouTube and may contain errors on videos with fast speech or accents. Always review the output before using it for anything important. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.